Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 5.1, question number 2. Indicate the solution set of the following system of linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. Let me correct it. Linear inequalities by shading. The inequalities given here are 4x minus 3y is less than equal to 12 and x is greater than equal to minus 3/2. We start the solution. We take the first inequality, 4x minus 3y is less than equal to 12. We name it as number 1. We are going to write its corresponding equation, and you know all we will do with just change this inequality sign by equals to sign, and the corresponding equation will become 4x minus 3y equals to 12. Now in this particular equation, put x equals to 0. Then solve, you will get minus 3y equals to 12, result y equals to minus 4. So it becomes 0, minus 4. Now in this equation, put y equals to 0, you will get 4x equals to 12, means x equal to 3. So you get 3, 0. Now we go to the reference point, and you know that we use origin as reference point. So put origin 0, 0 in inequality number 1. This is inequality number 1. So you will get 0 minus 0, that is 0, is less than equal to 12. And this is a true sentence. What is the result? Origin lies in the solution region. We go to the next inequality. It is x greater than equal to minus 3/2. Name it number 2. Its corresponding equation, x is equal to minus 3/2. You know, this is a vertical line passing through x equals to minus 3/2 means x equals to minus 1.5. Because on the graph paper, it will be much easier to plot minus 1/5. So then we go to the, it is simply a vertical line passing through x equals to minus 1/5. You have learned it in plane analytic geometry, chapter number 4 of your book. Now we come to the reference point. So we simply put O 0, 0 in inequality number 2. So what do we get? 0 is good. You can see there is no y here. So we'll simply put the value of x equal to 0. So 0 is greater than equal to minus 3/2. What is this? Is it true or false? Of course, it is a true sentence. So what do we get? We get the result that origin, that is 0, 0, lies in the solution region. Now we go to the graph paper. I'm going to draw the first line, this inequality with this line with maroon color. So let me try it. What are the points? 0, minus 4. Here it is. 0, x equals to 0, y equals to minus 4. Then 3, 0. X equals to 3, y equals to 0. Take your rulers. You will take your ruler. I am taking the line drawing tool from here. And this is what I get. You can see I have got my line. Now I will put arrowheads on it. I will write the equation with it. The equation is 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is the equation of the line. And now I will put an arrow which will show which side of this line, which side. You can see this line has divided the whole graph paper into two regions, one on this side, the other on this side, and origin lies, this is the origin O, it lies on this side. So let's see this. Origin lies in the solution region. It means this region is the solution region. So we will mark an arrow here. It is telling us that the solution region lies on this side. And if you want to shade it, I will shade it for you. I'm using the shade star. So you can see this is the solution region. This is what I get. Whole this region is the solution region. Okay, now let's get to the second line. The second line, let's draw it with, let's say, green color. The second line, x equals to minus 3 by 2. Here it is, x equals to minus 1.5 or minus 3 by 2. We will draw a vertical line passing through this particular point. So here it is, a vertical line passing through minus 1.5. This is it. This is our line. Now I will put arrowheads on it. This is an arrowhead. This is an arrowhead. And now I will write the equation with it. The equation of this line is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now you can see this line has divided the whole graph paper into two parts. One is on this side of the line, the other is on this side of the line. Now I have to shade the solution region, and what is the result? Origin lies in the solution region. So you can see origin is here. This is the line, origin is on its right side. So all the region on the right side of this line, it is the solution region. So I'm going to shade it with this blue stamp. Let's see. Whole this region is the solution region of my second line, right side of this line. And now you have to find the solution region of both these, their collective, their common solution region. So that region can be represented by, that region is the region in which both the colors are the present. It starts from here, this and this. This whole region is, I'm going to mark it with this heart. This is the common region of the two inequalities. And that completes the solution. But when you will draw it on the graph paper, I will recommend that you better use only one shade. Okay, just shade the solution region. Just imagine these things and then shade only the answer. Now I am going to show you the graph paper. Here you can see the solution, the graphical solution of these particular equations. You can see there, here it is y-axis. Now this is all x-axis. I have taken the scale as 10 small scale equal to 1. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. The point sketched here is 3, 0, x equals to 3, y equals to 0, x equals to 0, y equal to minus 4. Then we join the two with a straight line. And I must have written the equation here. I have forgotten, but you must write its equation here. And the solution lies in this, the origin lies in the solution region. So you can see this whole part. I have marked this arrow to represent it. That this arrow represents that this whole region on this side of the line is the solution set of this particular equation. This particular equation, okay, and this particular inequality. Then we go to the next one. Equation was x equals to minus 3 by 2. So you can see this is x equals to minus 0, then minus 1, then minus 1.5. It is equal to minus 3 by 2. A vertical line has been drawn, and it divides the whole graph paper into two parts, one on its left side, the other on its right side, and origin is lying on the right side. And we have the result which we have obtained was that origin lies in the solution region. So you can see this arrow. This arrow indicates that the solution region of this inequality lies on right hand side of it. And now when we shaded only the common part. You can see the shaded part is only the common part of the two inequalities, and that completes the solution.